That's Mina Joy, one of the youth here in Biliran, having fun here at Tenaga Falls. Well, I've been told it's very dangerous. This is the Devil's Punch Bowl right here. It sucks you down and you go down over there. But I'm going to try to cross here. I'm going to try to cross. Whoa, whoa. It's very slippery here. I almost fell. Very, very dangerous here. Very dangerous. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. You can slide. You can slide there. Try. Go. Okay, go. Ready, go. It's better over the middle. Okay, go like this. Come here. Go like this. Ready? Set. Go! I know. Well, here we are at Tenaga Falls. I'm going to go see where James is, and I don't know where. I think that Kasha and Little Heath are over here. I'm not really sure. Let's go check it out. Swimming in the waterfalls. Huh? Over there. Okay, we're gonna climb that. Well, we're here with Daisy and her children swimming at Tenaga Falls. There's Mina Joy from this beautiful island. I got water here. You okay? Having fun? Okay, good. Look at Isabella's clear out there in a big waterfall. You want to hold the camera? You want to hold it? Don't get it wet. No! Get it away from the water. Here's Lindsay. The photographer lady. Okay, here comes Isabella. She's eating. Wild here. It's amazing. Yeah. There goes James swimming over there. He's going over there with the snakes where the anacondas hang out. Please guys, watch my channel there at kalapahouse.com or Health in Hawaii. Sign up. Let's go find her. We gotta go find Izzy. Yep. Gotta find Izzy. Okay, let's go. Program, we're thousands of feet above the ocean floor, scaling a cliff, putting life in our hands. Well, James is swimming out there, so let's go out and catch him. This guy says it's dangerous, so if I... Here, wow. Is that it? Oh, kaya kakabo.
He's like crazy. Daddy, I'm going to... No!
Your turn.
No! Are you crazy?
It's a movie, so We're here, and there's Izzy, and there's carrying coconuts. Good job. Tanaga Falls.